Hello, good morning. My name is Rica Bautista, Account Officer for Medicard Philippines. Today po, I will show you how to fill up online when you want to apply for full HMO like standard plan or VIP plan. So today, I will fill up for VIP plan. So I'll go to medicardfills.com and then I click individuals and then I look for VIP. So I click buy now. Okay. Actually, before you click buy now, when you click VIP plan, you can also review the benefits from these five tabs. So description, benefits, exclusion, uh, price list is there, and you can download the agreement here. When you download it, you will find the full agreement, health agreement na magiging reference nyo po para sa inyo pong membership. So when you click buy now, uh, new applicant, and then choose which option you want. For example, regular private 200,000. Continue. By the way, do it on your computer kasi mahirap sa cellphone. Minsan, hindi talaga nag-show lahat. Then, here, makikita nyo yung summary ng benefits. At dito, kung may mapapansin kayo, like for example, outpatient consultations, 5 consultations fee at 250 per consultation, sabi po dito, ito po yung extra benefit natin, point of service. Lahat ng to, point of service po ito. Sabihin, reimbursement po ito just in case hindi accredited yung napuntahan natin. And then executive checkup and then other benefits po. You can browse that, you can read that, and continue. Their principal details. So dito po, meron lang tayong short time sa pag-fill up nito. Pag hindi na nagmo-move yung, for example, yung itong scroll bar po, magiging idle na po siya. Hindi na yun na siya masisave. So once na fill up nyo na po lahat ito, for example, mag-fill up lang tayo ng ano, mabilis lang. So, 43 years old, Filipino. So, mabilis lang para example lang po sa inyo para makita nyo. For example, address. So, dito, yung principal and payer, kung kayo din naman yung magbabayad, yung name nyo po. And then, may makita ko yung applicant, ito yung kung kayo rin naman ang kukuha ng HMO, kayo din po yan. May instance kasi, for example, senior yung kukuha, yung magbabayad yung anak niya, no? So, yung payer dito, yung anak niya, and then yung applicant, yung senior. So, depende, no? So, principal payer, okay, yan yun. So, annual lang ito, wala na ibang option. Then, source of income, pili na lang po kayo. Ito, NA, ito lagi kasi wala pa tayong life insurance diyan. Tsaka, not for minor, sabi, for SME or corporate accounts only. And then, ito po yung pinaka-importante para po ma-assist namin kayo. Ang gagawin niyo po, ilalagay niyo po yung code ko tsaka name ko dyan para makapag-assist po naman kami sa inyo sa pag-follow up ng inyo pong application. So, AIA 0077-29679. Then, lagay niyo yung pangalan ko, Bautista. Right? NA, and then for applicant, ito yung kukuha ng HMO. So, this is for example lang, no? For example, ang kukuha ng HMO is 1989. 45. So, 37 years old. That's single. So, 5'2". Yan. Pag nagtatagalan po kayo, scroll nyo lang. Scroll nyo lang yung mouse nyo para hindi po kayo mag-idle. So, 145. Then, email address. Example. Number ko na lang po para mabilis. So, kailangan nyo i-fill up yan. Pag pumabagal kayo, scroll lang. Or here, you can Click here kung same lang naman yung present address saka permanent address. And then here, SSS number. Importante po ito. Pero kung wala talaga, mga 0 na lang ang ilagay po ninyo. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, hanggang mawala yung red. Doon naman sa teen, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Pero kung employed po kayo, kung nilagay nyo dito na ang patient nyo, for example, nurse kayo, for sure, meron kayong TIN number, no? Yung SSS, kung employed din kayo, hindi naman po sa public, no? Kasi yung mga public employee GSIS ang meron sila. So, for sure, pag nurse kayo din, private company, meron po kayong SSS number. So, hingin din po nila yan. Kahit i-zero nyo dito, hihingin nila yan sa agent po ninyo. And then, corporate name, inalagay, wag nyo na po inalagay kasi po, tawag dito, ah, nature of work, for example, ano yung nature na medical, di ba? Nurse, medical, and individual, kung solo lang, pag may dependent kayo, ilagay nyo family. And then relationship to principal or payer, kung kayo yon self lang. Kung iba naman yung payer nyo, for example, yung anak nyo, father nyo, ganyan. So, kayo yung anak, ilagay mo, daughter. Alright? And then, choose. For example, maglagay lang tayo ng ID dito, no? Kahit anong ID lang. Ito na lang. PNG. PNG siya. And then, may mga medical questions po ito. Basahin nyo na lang. Pag yes po, magbigay na lang kayo ng details kahit madali lang. For example, eyes, halimbawa, astigmatism. Ganyan po. Ganyan. Kung anong year, for example, 2021, ganyan. Palipot. And then, stigmatism yata yun. Yan. And then, kung no-no nyo yan, tapos yan. Basahin nyo lang kung nag-smoke kayo, moderate. Okay? And then, ito daw, may mga question dito for females only, number 8. Pero yung 9, number 8, tatlo, ayun, tatlo lang yun for female only. Have you ever rejected? Oh, sign nyo na lang po. After that, take this one, take this one. Tapos, ito naman optional kung gusto niyo makatanggap ng marketing email from Medicard or about their products, ganyan, AIA Philippine Group. I-tick nyo yan kung gusto niyo po. Pero optional lang naman yan. And then save. Pagka-save nyo, kita nyo yan. Ito na yung principal information. Okay? And then kung wala naman kayong dependent, continue. Kung, for example, may dependent, add dependent. Ganyan. Pag continue niyo dito, hindi ko na po i-click. Makita nyo na doon na tapos na yung application. Screenshot nyo lang yon, send nyo sa agent nyo, send nyo yung copy ng ID nyo, and then sabihin nyo kung anong plan. Ipa-follow up ng agent nyo ang approval ng application. Pag approve na, makaka-receive kayo ng email, hindi pwede na kayo magbayad.